Hi guys, another month, which means another hairdo, honey. Look, all of us go bald and all of us lose some kind of hair. It's all right. I normally, a long time ago, I lost my hair and that's okay because I noticed that I didn't know what to do with it. So now I started cutting it to where I work with the hair system, which is called Lordhair, to try to help me feel young and vibrant again. So one of the things I like is that brunette hair seems to be like one of the best ones for me because I'm more of a brunette. And if you notice, automatically how like big, I like my hair big. I love having my hair big, baby. We're in Texas, papa. And I love having it big. But what I like about the hair system when you're looking at it, because I like to comb it, of course. Remember, it's been sitting in a box for a few days, so it automatically needs to just be adjusted. I like it simple, straight to the point. I want to shake and go, honey. And normally for anything like this, I want you to see how simple it looks already on. Look at that. You can't tell me. Look at that. How barely undetectable it is. That's how good it is. Because Lordhair already knows that when it comes to my hair systems, I want it to be something where it's just, I gotta go. I have things to do throughout the day. And they love working with me in reference to this. Because they always tell me, look, what's something you like? I like natural hair, but I also like blondes and I like brunettes and I like reds and all that good stuff. And they're willing to explore that with me. Now, let's talk about the inside of the hair. A lot of the time, the inside of the hair, I need it to be breathable. So this is French lace in the front. I don't know if I usually show you that, but I love that it's French lace in the inside as well. Why that's important to me? Because this and this is undetectable. This, you won't be able to see the hairline because it blends in. This is also breathable because I sweat a lot. Because there's a body throughout the whole thing, also keeps it stronger and held. This holds the entire thing together. You sweat, it's okay. It's good to sweat because with this, it's helpful. Is it itchy? It does get a little itchy when you sweat, but that has nothing to do with the hair system. It has to do with your hair growing out. That's all. Other than that, let's make it easy putting it together on. What I'm gonna do is I've already cleaned my hair. I've already cut it to the length that I want. I don't go shorter than this because you can go a lot shorter and it seems to stay intact a little bit better, but I get irritated. My skin gets really, really irritated if I put a razor to it. You could put a razor to it and you'd be okay, but I get easily irritated. So that's not something I'm gonna do. Okay, so now what I'm gonna easily do is I'm gonna put glue. I put Ghost Bond glue, right? And I put this on the perimeter of where I normally place where the hair lies, where the hair system sits. And so I'm gonna put it there all the way around. So do you see how automatically the glue has dried? That's telling me you can put another layer on, or you can immediately just leave it as so. So what they also offer is hair tape. Hair tape, they have it on their website as well. How do you use these? Simple. So these separate, right? You can do 1 and 1. So you can immediately just place those. You can either put that on the skin or you can put this on the French lace. Either one of those. So I like to put it in between both. So what I mean by that is I'll put it right here at this base, which is this corner and this corner. And I'll tend to push and peel back. That's how simple it is. Look. So I go corner to corner, pinch those two corners, and I place them here to here. So I'll place them right. I won't place it too hard because I can lift it up if I need to. Look how, oh my goodness, look how easy it is. And then you just push down where you need to. Remember, the front part needs to sit for a bit before you start messing with it, before you add blow dryers, before you add heat resistant anything, before you add water. You want to make sure this sits for a good minute. And then, and ta-da! This is the last and the end result. Look how seamless it is. I'm trying to get as close as possible so you can see how easy it is and how simple and how it doesn't look like you have something on, right? I love it. I hope you like it too. Let me know if you have questions. I'm here to answer anything you have. I am so grateful for the opportunity with Lordhair. It's lordhair.com. Go to their website. They have the tape. They have the hair systems. They can talk to you and discuss what you're comfortable with. Dame un besito. I gotta go. Bye.